How to move anything using jQuery, insertBefore, and insertAfter. Hi, Mike here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can move any element in your WordPress theme using jQuery, insertBefore, and insertAfter. So let's say you've found a theme that you love, except for one element's not quite where you'd like it to be. Let's say it's the page title. You can move this yourself easily with some jQuery. jQuery is a JavaScript library that WordPress loads by default. Think of it as a bunch of shortcodes to getting JavaScript done quickly and easily. So let's jump right into this. On this page I have a page title above the page in the title bar, but I want it below the featured image and before the page content. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take a look at the classes for the page. I'm going to right click on the featured image and use the inspect. And you can see here that the image has the class of page thumb. And the content below it has the class of entry content. Then if you look up here, you'll see that the page title is main title, entry title. Those are two different classes for the title. So keeping all of that in mind, we'll take a look at our JavaScript. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Chrome add-on extension so I can add CSS and JavaScript right to the page. It's called User JavaScript and CSS. It's a free extension and I really recommend it. So here's a JavaScript. The first part here, function, is just part of it being jQuery. The next, it says document ready. That means that when a page is loaded, that this script will run. The script itself is basically just one line here. Alright, so in the beginning here we have the script calling where the page title is now, which is main title, entry title, and then we're going to insert it before the entry content. So the other option is you can use entry after. You just change this part here to after, and you would change your class to whatever you want it after. So you can use before or after, but you would have to use different classes in that case. So we'll enable it for the page for us to test on, and then we'll reload the page. There, and you see now the title's moved from the title bar down to just before the content, but after the featured image. So, and you can do that for any element on the page. You can move the content before the image. You can move basically anything you want on the page. You just have to know where the class is now, where the element is now, and where you want to move it to. That's basically all you have to do. So let's take let's do it again and see what the class was before the image. The image is page thumb, so we'll just change insert before page thumb. Alright, so we'll save that, and it should put the title before the image. And there you go. That was pretty easy, right? Now, in order to be able to add this script into your WordPress site, you're going to need to add it to your functions PHP file, either in your child theme or directly into your parent theme. But you really should add it to your child theme so that the next time your parent theme updates, you won't lose all your custom scripts. So in order to add this to a WordPress theme, we're going to need to create a function out of it. So we'll just add this to the beginning. This is the function and a custom name for the function. And this after. So you have your WordPress function and the name of the function, and it can be anything, but every function has to be unique. And then at the end you have add action to the footer, because that's where the scripts need to run. And then this is the name of your custom function that you just created. So all you have to do is add all of this into your WordPress function PHP file, unless you have a plugin that this can run in. But typically you put this in your WordPress function. I'll leave a link to the script down below for you to use. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe. If you're having troubles getting this to work on your site, leave a comment with your URL and I'll take a look at your page for you. So until next time, take care.